Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to use two Discord accounts at once in your laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So let's go. For this, you have to open your Discord account. Right here discord.com or Discord login. Here you can see the link. You have to click on this. Now click on login. Now give your email address or phone number and set your password. After set all of this, you have to press on login. And now if you want to use another account together, you have to click on this plus icon. You can search for Discord login. Now click on Discord. Now click on Open Discord. Now here you have to give your email or phone number and password of your another Discord account. Now you can use two Discord accounts together in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.